In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem gift cards in Roblox. I'm also going to reveal 2 codes to show you how to get some free items in Roblox. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to More on your left-hand side, press this icon here, and then go over to gift cards over here. So we'll click on that, and it's going to take us to the Roblox website. So now we're going to press Redeem Card up here. And here you can type in your gift card and redeem it, just like that. So the first code I'm going to show you is in all caps, tweet Roblox. And this is going to get you a bird to sit on your shoulder. So redeem that, nice. Okay, and the next one I'm going to show you is Spider Cola. And that's going to give you a cola spider to sit on your shoulder. Alright guys, I thought I'd just show you the items that I've redeemed. So here we've got the cola spider. It's interesting to say the least. And then we also have the little bird. I quite like the bird personally. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.